Hello dear friends. Today we are dealing with the regulation of JAK-STAT pathway by other mechanisms. First is crosstalk with other pathways. This pathway interacts with other signaling cascades such as ERK MAP kinase, PI3K pathways which modulate its overall activity. Next is transcriptional regulation, the expression of pathway components including SOX and STAT themselves regulated at the transcriptional level, providing another layer of control. For example, different STAT3 splicing isoforms have different functions in tumor development. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you very much.